Was a struggle. When I came, if I may say so, people were like, oh, she looks like Ranbir Kapoor without a mustache. She's too fair. She's pale. She is pale. She's pale means she has a faded color, or she has a dull color, and her face does not look well as per the requirement of the film industry, or she doesn't look like an actress. Light eyes. Will she be able to emote?
Emote means expressing emotions in a very dramatic way, or in such a way that people like to see your movie, or people like to watch your movie. So emote means expressing your emotions in a dramatic way.
So as a young girl of 16, 17, to hear these comments, it was tough. It was very difficult. But I was like, no, I have to have that focus. And my parents and my grandfather always told me it's not going to be a bed of roses.
She says it is not a bed of roses. It is a kind of phrase which means that film industry is not an easy task. It requires lot of attention. It requires lots of hard work and lots of dramatic expressions to work in film industry. So film industry is not a bed of roses for everyone. They have to work hard. They have to prove them to become famous and to make their position in the industry.
You'll have to work very hard, because the day your movie reaches that parda, you're nobody's daughter, granddaughter, anything. The audience will decide. So I had that determination, and I was like, I have to do it. But it was a time of love and passion, and movies were made on that passionate.
She says passionate. Passionate means when someone is very much enthusiastic or excited about some work, that means passionate. So one should be very much passionate about his work. So she said that Karishma has to be very much passionate towards acting to make her career in the film industry.
Determination and instinct.
She says instinct. Instinct means natural ability to do something, natural ability to express emotions in the film. So instinct means natural ability or natural capability to do something or to perform in the industry.
I kind of miss that also sometimes, because of course everything's become so streamlined today, and so.
She says streamlined. Streamlined means everything is well organized and systematic. Nowadays, film industry has become very streamlined and organized. There are a lot of new equipments which has made the work very easier for the actors and the producers as well. So now the industry has been changed a lot.
So professional, but that also had a different kind of magic to it.